Legends of Learning presents the Rail Fixer game. This is a math game that makes learning about decomposing numbers into addition pairs fun and easy to understand.
Use the number rails provided to create the leftmost number.
In this informative instructional game, on the Mathling bullet train, the rails over a bridge have broken apart due to rust.
Level 2.
Because of the broken rails, the trains will stop moving, and if they are not fixed properly, the trains could fall into the chasm below. We have prepared replacement rail parts for the broken ones and need you to help slot in the new parts. In this game by Zapzapmath, learn how to use number bonds by adding up two parts to make a whole number. Find the missing numbers to combine two numbers together to complete the railway track. Use the mouse to click and drag and drop different numbers to complete the railway track by adding two numbers together to make the same answer for each railway track.
Use the number rails provided to create the
Use your math
leftmost
skills to complete all the levels to win the game. Use your knowledge of math to complete this fun and educational game. Have fun and enjoy playing.
number. Level 5 complete.